Your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. If you hadn't already heard, we have a flood watch that is still in place for us through noon tomorrow for pretty much everybody here across the bluegrass, southern Kentucky, and portions of eastern Kentucky here today and tomorrow. Because of all the rain we had early on, a lot of spots picked up some heavy totals, while others kind of missed out on all of the real good stuff. Of course, some of that did lead to some flash flood warnings earlier that have since been expired. But you'll see quite the difference between portions of central and then into western Kentucky versus eastern Kentucky with the rainfall amounts here in the past 24 hours, and really most of this falling today. In northern Fayette County, almost 4 inches, in southern 2.1 inches. Franklin had 3 inches itself. You see anywhere from 1 to 2 to 3 inches across the board. You get into southern Kentucky and it gets a little more sporadic, a couple tenths of an inch, and then you go to Casey County and you got 1.2. You get into eastern Kentucky, a lot of tenths of an inch to a quarter of an inch, few above a half, but there is more opportunity on the table. And the concern is these areas that have seen so much rain already getting hit with more trading thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow. If we take tomorrow's activity and if Futurecast is correct, well, there's another chance for some of those heavily hit areas to pick up another 1, 2, 3+ inches of rainfall from the thunderstorm activity set to develop here tonight and linger into tomorrow. You're going to see right now central bluegrass is kind of in the bullseye for more of these showers and storms to produce the heaviest rain as we work into our Wednesday morning. Now, we still have some strong storms across eastern Kentucky from Paintsville to Pikeville, and we'll continue to work those to the east. They're sub-severe at this point, and they're likely to stay that way. With stronger storms have actually worked into central Tennessee now. We're watching what's behind this, though. All of these storms that are firing up in Illinois and working into Indiana, eventually those are going to work their way down into central Kentucky, and that makes for a stormy first half of the day tomorrow. As Futurecast shows you how this lines up, does a pretty good job with placement of everything, so we'll take it as it comes, and you'll see here it just drops that line of storms from northwest to southeast, and watch as this goes 6 a.m. Wednesday, and they just keep going over the same spot through 10, 11 a.m. Then they finally push south and fade away as we get the sunshine to come out Wednesday evening. Things are going to get hot pretty quick, and that's going to lead into another toasty one. Thursday, nothing expected for us except a mix of sunshine and cloud cover, and that's also going to help keep those temperatures nice and toasty. If we take a look at the temperature and heat index through the day tomorrow, we're going to start with the 70s. That's the coldest it's going to get. It's going to be very humid. Dew points right about there as well. As we get these showers to wrap up by midday, temperatures quickly jump mid to upper 80s, and you're talking about heat index value in the mid-90s, 95, 96. It's going to be very toasty for us tomorrow afternoon, especially with that sun, and the humidity is just going to sit across the area. Then we get a break Thursday, another day near 90, feeling like the mid to upper 90s before what we're tracking next. And just to put this in your back pocket, another round of showers and storms possible overnight Thursday into Friday morning, and then again Friday afternoon and evening into Friday night. And with that, there's already portions of Kentucky highlighted for a risk of severe weather. Looks like better chances will be to the north and east, but we are on the edge. So it's something to watch as we go towards your weekend. By Saturday and Sunday, all of the humidity fades away and temperatures start to fade as well.
Download the Fox 56 Weather Authority app today.